So during this trying time with the Rona, whatever you want to call it, kind of got everything at a standstill. It's kind of hard to think about buying stuff right now. But, you know, us as content creators, your show must go on. And like everything that goes down, things must go back up. So you want to bookmark this video or save this video in case, so when things are back on the upswing, this might be something you might be interested in. So today we're talking about the Beyerdynamic Lagoon ANC Traveler headphones. So just a little background on the company. Beyerdynamic has been around for almost 100 years now. They're based out of Germany. They've been making everything from cinema speakers to mics to headphones. You've had legends like ABBA, Bob Dylan, even the Beatles using their mics during their tour in 1966. So just to give you an idea of the legacy behind it. So now on to these headphones. So the headphones are, for the most part, plastic. Memory foam, faux leather, padding on the cups and on the headband. The build is fine, it's solid, it doesn't feel cheap. You're able to, swivel the cups, rest the headphones on your shoulders. Touchpad on the right cup for play, pause. 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C port for charging and updating. They fit very comfortably. I'm able to wear them 8 to 10 hours at work. So for me, in my experience, didn't have any type of fatigue or issues in the comfort department. One of the more interesting things is their RGB-based light guide system. Lets you know the status of different things on the headphones based on your color. Based on the battery life, you'll see them pulsing different colors. If it's full, speaking green. If below 70%, it's like yellow, and then below 30% is red. Just kind of give you an visual idea of where the battery life is. This also goes for media playback, phone calls, and different things. We'll have a complete list of what all they do on the screen. So now onto the sound, probably one of the more important parts of it. You got 40 millimeter drivers, you got codec support for aptX, low latency, and AAC. And all this makes for damn near superior sound quality. This gives you superb clarity to hear every element and instrument very crisp and clear. The bass levels are simply perfect, the right amount of thump, not too overbearing, not super flat either. Just for me and my taste, these are the perfect sounding headphones. You can do some sort of customization using the Mosaic app. Allows you to offer a personal sound profile, and it gives you a pretty good hearing test. Moving on to the noise canceling abilities, you have 3 levels, really 2, just level 1, level 2, and off. It works okay, but then I made sure to update it because I had a firmware update earlier this month, and it made it a lot better. The ANC on this is good. It's not to the levels of Sony and Bose, but it's not too far behind either. Now, taking phone calls is not something I would regularly do, or just something I would test on headphones, because a lot of times I tried it, doesn't really work out too well. With the Beyerdynamics, I was able to take phone calls, be heard crisp and clear, pending my connection, of course. Definitely something worth noting that Beyerdynamic does well, and others like Bose and Sony do okay or not so well. Battery life. With noise canceling off, you get 45 hours of juice. Noise canceling on level 2, you can get about 24 hours of juice. So if you have it on level 1, you get somewhere in between. It's pretty spot on. Even though you do have USB-C, you don't really have like fast charging abilities. So when it's dead, you have to sit and kind of wait for that 3 hours to fully charge, or just give you enough juice for the day. So that's our 2 cents. I think they're currently retailing for $2.99. So we'll have affiliate links for that below, and we appreciate you for watching. Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.